Are your lips dry and peeling and you're tired of it? You're just tired. You need some relief. You want something to help you smooth them lips out and make them lips be like buttery soft. So let's get right into this review, shall we? Let's go. Hey everyone, I'm Evelyn and I am back with another video. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Today I am reviewing this product here. This is the Estee Lauder Pure Color Envy Lip Repair Potion. Now I bought this probably a few weeks ago, but the cool thing is that I uploaded a video about this product and share with you that I had ordered a few items from Estee Lauder. And in that video, I asked a question. I said, hey, you guys, if you see anything that I've shared with you that you want me to do a review, let me know. And a few of you actually told me some products that you wanted to see me review. And this is one of them, the Lip Repair Potion. Miss Wambui, I got you. I got you. Here it is. If you don't know Miss Wambui has a YouTube channel where she does crafts, and I have actually learned how to do loom knitting by watching her videos. She watches me, supports me, and she said, hey, I'd like to see a review on this product and the lipstick too. So y'all know what? The lipstick review is coming up. Thank you, Miss Wambui, for recommending that I review this because this stuff is good. It's good. Who would have thought? Okay, so again, this is the Estee Lauder Pure Color Envy Lip Repair Potion. I don't have anything on my lips, and my lips are smooth. My lips are ready to receive this product. You may not know this, but I have a bad habit, and that bad habit is doing this, picking the dry skin off my lips, y'all. I know it's disgusting. It's a habit that I had. Let me rewind. It's a habit that I had. I don't have that habit anymore. I don't do it. But when I would peel my lips, I got such pleasure from doing it. It's like a kid sucking their thumb. They really enjoy sucking their thumb. Well, I enjoy picking the skin off my lips. But I try to pick and there's nothing there to pick. And so thanks to this product, I have smooth lips. So let's talk about the cost of this product. This little product right here, let me come a little closer so y'all can see it. This little product right here, this costs $32. I didn't want to spend $32 on this because I was skeptical about it working. But after reading the reviews and seeing what it does, I decided to give it a try. Here are the product details about this lip potion. If you see me looking down, you know your girl has to look at her notes and she doesn't want to miss anything. Okay, first of all, what caught my eye on the website, on Estee Lauder's website, is that this product has a 4.7 out of 5 stars. So I'm like, it must be something good about it, because y'all know before I buy anything, I be reading reviews and then more reviews on top of reviews before I spend money. That's just how I am. But I was kind of impressed, you know, by the high rating. And then when I read the reviews, I was like, surely these people would not be lying about this. And so I decided to go ahead and buy it. Here are the product details about this lip repair potion. It is your all-in-one lip repair formula. It revives, renews, and softens. It is ideal for your night regimen as a rejuvenating while you sleep treatment, or apply anytime for an inviolably revived smile. It applies easily with the wand applicator. Apply to clean, bare lips as needed. Ideal at night. I apply this at night most of the time. I do not wear it during the day. I wear my lip balm and my lip gloss and lipsticks. I'm going to apply this to my lips. I came on camera without nothing on my lips, and I feel funny, and I gotta hurry up and put some on my lips. So I did it for this video. The first time I ever applied this product, I applied it at night. And when I got up the next morning, I was amazed by how soft and smooth my lips were. And I was like, okay, my lips are soft and I don't feel any skin. Where did it go? So y'all know your girl is addicted to using this because my lips have continued to be soft. So this is the beautiful packaging. I love the pink. Pink is one of my favorite colors. And you know that Estee Lauder is a classy product. So this is the wand here. And you can see a little bit of the product on here. Feels so good, so smooth. Since I've been using this, y'all, I haven't had any issues with my lips, and I can't get enough of this. I have to use it at nighttime. After my skincare routine is all done, this is the final step. I don't even do any lip scrubs or anything like that because they say it's an all-in-one product, right? So it is. Y'all see how easy it was to apply? It feels so good on my lips. My lips kind of felt like they were missing something. But after I put this on, my lips are saying, thank you so much for putting something on me. I feel good now, I feel better. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Let me know what you think. Have you tried this product? If you have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video.